to all. My dear lovable students, those who are going to write in Jan examination, out of our 5.5 days, I hope that your day number 1 would have gone fantastically well. There are different kinds of students will be there. For certain people, day 1 would have gone well. Day 1 would not have gone well as expected. Some pending will be there. Some beautiful things will be there. You know, in a test match, every day is important. Every session is important. If we lose 3 or 4 wickets suddenly, we will lose the confidence or we will lose the entire test itself. Correct? Am I right? Those who know the cricket will know. My dear lovable students, in day number 2, this is what the areas to be completed. AS5, AS10. By this time, you should have completed. Then 7 case studies plus 20 MCQs. Case studies are important. Please don't do any other thing. For example, in 10 to 1, instead of doing case study, don't sit and solve any other question. Then IR, 1 question. This time IR 14 mark will be there in exam. CFS, consolidated financial statement, buyback, branch, cash flow statement, amalgamation, schedule 3, investment accounts. From 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 3 hours, you are supposed to do 8 questions. Sir, we are going to write the examination in 2 to 5. That's why I am asking you to write one question. If you do pakka doing one question, on the day of exam, you won't feel any stress. And the last one, AS16, AS22 and AS18. In this, the most expected AS is AS10. You should thoroughly complete AS10. Then AS18, this time it will test in exam, related party, and AS16 borrowing cost. These 3 A's are important, very important, very, very important, my dear lovable students. Sir, in this process of preparation, especially 5 days, certain people will feel so much of tired. If you are feeling tired, just check your hours of sleep. Don't sacrifice the sleep and study for these 5 days. You are mandatorily supposed to sleep minimum 6 to 7 hours. Then only your daytime will be effective. Then only whatever you are studying will be stored in your night time. If you are sleeping only 4 to 5 hours, that is the biggest reason for your failure. Sir, your mind will start give only pressure and tension that you are accumulating for day 1 of your examination. Sir, sir, this many days we have worked out, sir. Then try to complete the slots within the stipulated time. Why you know? Then only you'll be able to complete the exam within 3 hours. Point number 1. Point number 2. When you solve questions like especially MCQ, like especially your objective types, you may commit mistakes. Sir, don't break your confidence if mistakes are coming. Don't get fear if mistakes are coming. Sir, try to handle those mistakes. In the sense means, if this are handle pandrathu, within 20-30 minutes, you have to swap one question. Don't stuck up with one question itself. Our intention is not to write suggested answer for the question paper. Are you going to write suggested answer for the question paper? No. Let the board of studies do it. Our intention is to write, my dear lovable students, just the answer, best answer for the questions what ICAI is asking. So don't, sir, take any sort of stress. That's what very important. How you are carrying in this 5 days will determine the group result. If you are feeling that, oh, I don't know this, I don't know that, or if you are over, nothing, man. Just be in the process. Complete the things in the stipulated time and proceed further. Sir, I am again saying, when you are studying, these are the expected standard. AS1, AS4, AS24 in the respective time, you kill it. AS23, 27, 29. With regard to AS29, I have posted yesterday a 1 hour beautiful video. In your free time, please go through that. That is mandatory for your preparation. Then AS10, today's slot is there. AS13, you would have already completed yesterday. and AS 26. From these standards, you will be getting question. AS 19, AS 16 and AS 11. Sir, 16 today is there. Do many questions from AS 16. And sir, from the last disclosure standard, AS 7 and AS 18 and AS 20. Sir, today AS 18 is there. Yesterday you would have completed AS 20. My dear lovable students, this is what the, sir, time to get the best out of you. Not only saying physical, but also saying mental. Please be calm and quiet and do your duties. Don't deviate to any other thing. Don't study anything new which you have not studied earlier. Revise what you have already studied. Adikke namakku time pattadu. I will tell you one thing. There is a question in this question paper, in January attempt question paper, which I saw, which will come for 14 mark examination. That 14 mark is for how you are carrying yourself, how much cool and composed you are. So don't miss that 14 mark. That 14 mark will determine remaining 85 marks of your paper. If you get the 14, 85 is, sir, a balancing figure. If you miss that 14, that 85 mark will be go in vain. So don't do that. Be happy. Try to carry happiness. Today is day number 2. Try to make it better than day number 1. Those who have completed day number 1 target, I want all the IMAN batch students, I want all the virtual students to update in the comment section what you have done in day number 1. Because that will make the outside students or the other students of the class to get motivated that, oh, everyone is pakka following this timetable. I just want to flood the comment sessions with your updates of day number 1. For that only, I am reviewing day number 1 and giving suggestions to day number 2. Take care of yourself, especially your health, especially your mental health. My dear lovable students, be on track. We'll meet at the appropriate time. We'll talk about more and more about the schedule. Thank you. Bye-bye from ANM.